Hey everyone, it's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. It's the end of the day. It's been 90 degrees here in Colorado. My hair has been up in a hat all day, so it looks a mess, but I'm about to shampoo my hair and I want to show you something I've been testing out. It's a new launch from Aveda. It was actually three things. These products were gifted by Aveda for me to test out, and I do want to thank them so much for allowing me to test these products on my channel. What they sent me was, they did send me a shampoo and conditioner, but they sent me something that I've never ever used on my hair before, and what it is it's called a pre-shampoo treatment. I'm going to show you what the container looks like. This is supposed to be a botanical repair bond building pre-shampoo that you put on your hair before you shampoo your hair. I'm going to actually do it right here. It's supposed to repair damaged hair. I'll show you what it looks like. It's also supposed to strengthen your hair and restore it. Great for people, especially women that have, and I'm going to put it right on my hair. I put it right on my clean hair dry. It's great for women that have used a lot of chemicals on their hair. And the pre-shampoo actually smells really good. It smells very, clean. Yeah, that's the best way I can describe it. It's great for women like myself who have really done a lot of bleaching to their hair. I have highlighted my hair probably for at least 35 years straight. This is the first time in my life that I have not highlighted my hair. I'm actually trying to let my grays, kind of grow in. I put this on. This is going to help to prevent tangles in your hair. It's going to help to reduce breakage while you're shampooing your hair. And I kind of massage this all over my hair before I'm about to shampoo. I thought this would be kind of interesting because I've never tried something called a pre-shampoo before. This is supposed to help to strengthen my hair, protect it, and I am doing whatever I can to try to make my hair more restored after bleaching it so much over the past, 35 years. It's also going to make your hair softer after you wash it and style it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in the shower and then I'm going to wash my hair with the shampoo and conditioner that they sent me, which are also strengthening products. They are 97% naturally derived, they're silicone free, and also 100% vegan. So I'm going to go in the shower after 10 minutes of this on my hair. I'm going to shampoo with the Aveda Botanical Repair Shampoo, and then I will use the conditioner that's also a strengthening conditioner by Aveda, which is this one. Okay, so the shampoo part, as you can see, this is the lather that the shampoo gives you. I'm kind of a lather person. When it comes out, it actually comes out almost like a clearer white shampoo. The scent of it, botanical. I'm all for anything that's going to help to repair and strengthen my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse this out of my hair and then I'm going to apply the Botanical Repair Conditioner. This looks like a cream. Kind of smells the same. Really, I don't notice really much of a difference in the scent. I'm just going to put that mainly from kind of the mid part of my hair down, not so much my roots. And then I'll let my hair air dry. And when I wake up tomorrow morning, I'll kind of show you what my hair looks like. And then I'll kind of give you my final thoughts on this new launch. This is editing Marla coming back in here with my little pink curls in my hair. So you're going to have to excuse the way I look right now. But I was looking through this video when I was editing it, and there are a couple things that I wanted to mention about this whole Aveda system. I did say it was a plant-powered bond building system for your hair to strengthen strengthen hair that's been chemically damaged. What I did want to mention is it is made with a macro green blend of avocado, green tea, and something called Sacha Inchi oils, something I'm not familiar with. I will put it down here. That's what's going to help with smoothing the hair out, detangling it, and protecting it from breakage. I did say it was vegan, 97% naturally derived. It is Leaping Bunny certified, so it is cruelty-free, which is yay. We love cruelty-free products, but some of the ingredients it is free of. It is free of synthetic fragrance, silicones, phthalates, sulfates, sodium lauryl sulfate, free of parabens, mineral oil sulfites, free of petroleum, free of triclosan, free of trichlocarbon. It's also free of formaldehyde, paraffin, gluten, and did I say petroleum? The real reason I wanted to come in here when I was editing this video was I was trying to describe the scent of this product in the video. I didn't realize this was a trademarked scent of Aveda. Had no idea. It is Aveda's own trademarked perfume aroma. Is made with certified organic lang lang, rose, marjoram, and other pure flower and plant essences. Okay, it's 5 o'clock the next morning. I'll be honest with you, I really liked the idea of this pre-treatment. I've never kind of done a whole system like this before. I've never done kind of a pre-treatment in order to try to help repair and strengthen my hair. I like it. I've tried a lot of different shampoos. You guys saw one of the favorite shampoos I've been using in my favorites that I did, I think last week was it? I think I did that video. But this is really a nice set. It makes my hair have lots and lots of shine. It makes my hair have lots and lots of body. It's soft. It's taken the frizz out of my hair. I like it because it's a reparative system that's going to do bond building on my hair and also help prevent breakage when I shampoo it. I like it. I wanted to mention this to you because it is a new release. It doesn't weigh my hair down, really makes my hair shiny, gives my hair lots of body. If you are someone that has hair that's been damaged by bleaching, doing any type of chemical processes to your hair, straightening it, bleaching it, highlighting it, I think this would be a great system to help to repair the damage that's been done in the past from over processing. So I will leave a link for these 3 products down below this video in my description box. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.